Okay, this is lesson 27, and it's modeling what I call real-life problems by developing algebraic equations and then solving those equations using algebra. This lesson 27, though, is for single variable problems. I will get into multiple variable problems on a later lesson. Okay, and I'm going to use the 5 steps that are detailed in the textbook. And here are the 5 steps. So step 1, read the problem carefully, and then use a variable to represent the unknown in this case, because we're only doing single variable problems. Step 2 is not used in a single variable real-life problem. Step 3, write an equation using x models the verbal conditions of the problem. Basically, you're just taking the word problem and developing the equation. And after you have your equation, then you solve for x and go back and double check. Plug the value of x into the original word problem, not into your equation. Plug it into the word problem and check it and make sure that it's correct. And here's our word problem. So you're at the local Harley-Davidson store and you want to buy a leather vest, and you find out that they are on sale for 40% off the regular price. At the register, your final cost without taxes included came to $276. So what was the original price of the leather vest? So starting with step 1, we read the problem carefully and understand the problem, and we're going to let x equal the original price. Step 2 does not apply with a single variable problem, so we'll skip that. So now we're into step 3, and this is where we write the equation for the problem. This is the hardest part of solving word problems. But if x is the original price, and we know it was 40% off, so we start with the original price and we subtract 40% off of the original price, and we know that that came to $276. I'm going to rewrite that with the decimal form of the percentage. And that represents our problem. So again, the original price minus 40% off the original price came to $276 at the cash register, again, without taxes. So solving this, we can pull x out. Which is and so we would want to divide the 0.6 both sides. And if you punch that into your calculator, x equals $460. So we just completed step 4. Now, going back and doing step 5, we take our 460 and see if it works. So $460 minus 40% off of $460 should equal $276. So we have $460 minus $184. Does that equal 276? And punching it into your calculator, it does.